Alright, hello. Well, let me bore you to death with my new animation pipeline for that game thing, whatever. So, as you can see now, there's this character. It's able to, move around, blah blah blah. There's some activity it can perform, taking something. Alright, I've got a case when I need to iterate these animation versions quickly and I need to export them fast. For example, let's say if I modify the original model scene somehow, for example, if I add a stupid monkey over there, alright, I want it to appear in my game scene really fast. I am using phaser.js, so all of that is JavaScript project. Alright. So what I did, I made my export script smart enough to export atlas and image and everything I need for that animation to appear. So I press play, run script, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bam. 7 second M2 Mac and that monkey head is over there. So now I'm able to iterate my animations with different sizes of frames, etc. really fast. So what did this script build actually? Okay, screw the presentation. So let me bore you with the details. I wrote a Go application for packing textures, and when I pressed the play button, the run script button, it exported a bunch of images in this folder, which I specified in the script, and it contained every frame exported by Blender into a specific file with a specific name, death underscore and e, blah blah blah. There's idle, E for east. Oh, it showed west. East is over there. All right, cool. So a bunch of stuff. Also, it exported all the information of directions. Let's see. There's arm action take. We got a object for north. Oh, cannot see myself. For north, which is basically an array of actual frames of images that are required for the animation to be played for north. Same for southeast. There's a list of animation frames required for that animation to appear, and so on and so on for, let's see, walk, crouch. Well, we can go north with a list of these frames, etc. Cool, huh? Well, also that information is used to build the actual sprite sheet. So when I got all of that information, I can read all the image frames or images, actual images, into memory and generate a more optimized sprite sheet for phaser.js, which phaser.js can read. So all the extra spaces are cut out from all those separate frames, like here. As you can guess, there's like extra space over here. It's not possible to see in here. I don't have it. Let me open it with GIMP. While it's loading. Oh, it's fast. So as you can see, the exported image contains now really unnecessary information in here, which is white space, or just empty pixels. So the important information is only over here. So I wrote a program in Golang, which can read that information and just combines everything into one complicated, uh, more compact image. And since I know how I compacted that, I also built from the same application again a JSON which texture packer, the program texture packer, can export. I do have it. It's not a licensed version, so it will not. Yeah, I could technically use export the same JSON from texture packer. All right. So it could technically do the same thing, but since it's not licensed version, it will export the image or the image atlas with some artifacts that I don't need. And also, I have no idea how to automate texture packer. I don't want to pay for it. And also, I'm a programmer. I know how to develop stuff in several languages. And it was just interesting. So, by the way, do let me know in the comments if you want to see that code. I can break it down for you and maybe push it to GitHub for you to reuse if you want to. And by the way, I will add the initial Blender export script. I will add it in the description. If you want a more detailed video about that, also please let me know. And until then, cheers.